Hello, it's Dave and welcome back to the Raybloc channel. We've got an interesting set of quite large doors in green that you can see here. These are for a veterinary practice. So I believe it's actually equine purposes what they're doing there. So this would be for horses, hence the oversize. Green laminate doors with oak accenting. So this is an oak cover strip for the lead. This particular set of sliding doors is a little bit different to the normal. Generally speaking, you'd have a small single leaf or a double size sliding door, and it would just be a single action door. It would just go one way. This particular door set, we've been tasked by the customer to do a bi-part sliding lead line door, which is kind of a bespoke product, if you like. It's not it's definitely not a run-of-the-mill thing that we produce every day. But these are the kind of things that we like to do. We like to think, we like to take these kind of projects on because at the end of the day, the customers ask for something. We want to make sure that they're satisfied and their needs are met. So there's a few little interesting bits on this door that we've had to think through to make sure it works. So first of all, you can see we've got pull handles and we've got a lever handle. Generally speaking, on a sliding door, you just have a pull handle. But the customer wanted this to be a lockable door. So to activate the lock, which we'll have a look at in a moment, you just pull the handle down, push the door away. One finger just gently moves across. No, so straightforward, so easy to do. The other door then is kind of acting as a door stop, if you like. So this door can't move out of the way at the moment. It's locked into position. It's locked into position by an oversized flush bolt at the top, which I can access from a decent height here. I've not got to stretch, so, disengage the chute bolt. Again, one finger, just push that back. Nice and easy on the sliding track there. And bi-parting sliding door. Just bring that back together. So pull this one back. There is a custom door stop at the top, which also acts as a key, which again, locking that flush bolt engages that keeps that door securely in place. It's a nice little detail up there in oak as well to match the lippings and to match the astragal cover strip, which you can see here. To bring this door back, just bring it back. Now the actual lock itself, before I bring it back there, it's a hook lock in this, so a little bit different. When we first did this, took this job on, it was probably hadn't considered what we actually needed here. We needed something quite significant. So this hook lock works by hooking into the keep on the other side, and then you pull the two doors apart. They can't move. So if you think about a normal door, you've got a latch lock that will just go straight in. That kind of lock on this, you'd just be able to pull the doors away. Also, with it being a sliding door, it's quite difficult to locate that point. So you'll see on this lock down here, there's quite a significant locator pin, and when you close the door, you get quite a satisfying sound. We know that they're not going anywhere now. There will be a lock put in the bottom here, so presumably be a thumb turn to the X-ray side and a key to the corridor. So really nice bit of workmanship gone into that, and a lot of thought goes into it. Warning light as well. So the customer wanted that. I think that these warning lights are fail-safe as well for the veterinary practices, which is something that they need. But yeah, overall, really, really smart looking door. Just behind the pelmet, so we manufacture the pelmets which cover all the sliding door track. So there's a lot going on underneath there that you can't see. We're going to take that down in a moment, and we're going to get some close-ups just to show you a couple of things. So there'll be the keep / door stop, and then on top of that, the cable exit for the warning light runs out on the top of the door leaf. And we've got like quite a nice caterpillar track there. All that does is it enables the cable to run out of the door loop. And just that action of moving backwards and forwards is not going to cause any unnecessary wear to the cable itself. You join us back with the pelmet removed. So we just took that down, thanks to the guys. Just to show you a couple of details that you don't see. And this is important for me because we're looking at bits that you don't see. And it's the bits that you don't see, the effort's gone into them. So Obviously, we've got the oak astragal strip, we've got the oak clippings around the door, contrasts nice against the green laminate, but we've got that door stop slash keep there, and it's just a nice finished piece of machining. So I'll bring that door back, and we'll get some close-ups in a moment, but yeah, it does its job fantastically well. Chute bolt goes back, that comes across, goes up against it, nice little bump stop, locked in, brilliant. The other thing that I wanted to speak to you about is just the caterpillar track there. Just a nice action on that, really. Again, just stops unnecessary wear, and I suppose the cable guide, if you want to call it, that is finished in oak as well. Just so it all just ties in nicely. One final point is just, there is some channels in the bottom of the doors as well. As you can see, the doors will move backwards and forwards slightly, just in the setup that we've got here, and that's just because the floor guide isn't in here. We wouldn't fit it in our workshop. They'll be installed on site, which means that the doors will locate at the correct point, and it just makes that the latch into with the hook lock easier. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. And join us again soon for some interesting radiation shielding products. Thank you.